Hello guys, it is Tyler from Tyler's Fun and Fun. Oh my god, I'm so done. I'm actually doing this on my computer for once. I normally do it on my PS4, which you can see in the background. My PS4. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create thumbnails on your videos. This is how I do it at least. Yeah, let me show you right now. There. Hi. Okay. So first choose the video you want a thumbnail on. Um, yeah, but first you need to upload it without a thumbnail, then you put it on. It's actually how I edit all my, or it's actually how I do all my videos. First, I create the thumbnail, and then, no, first I create the video, then I upload it, then I edit it and do everything I need. So I'm going to show you how to put like end screen stuff, says subscribe and stuff. So let's do it to this one. This one I have not yet edited. So let's go to edit video right here. To click on it, only you will see this. Then edit video. Once you're in your channel. So it's going to say like the stuff. You can see the title, see the description, editor, comments, other features. You can also blur out faces. There wasn't any, you could blur out anything. So what you actually do, let me move my face cam. What I do is first, I go on the internet and look up this, hold on, trying to remember. I just look up what I want, so dragon, I'm not spelling this right, but I don't care. I go into images, and I find my thing. Can you no, that's not what I want. I'm gonna look up this. Can you Fortnite thumbnail? Boom. There you go. It gives you that. You find the thumbnail you want. Dragon eggs in Fortnite, I think. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. What if I look up that? No way. Let's go with this thumbnail. You press save image as. This is all my thumbnails that I have so far. Save it to whatever folder you want. Just look down there. Go into the editor. Press the three little dots. Edit. Should pop up the file. You click on it. Then go over here and press save changes. It is now saved. So now if I look up YouTube again, and I go into my, ooh, Nathan's live. Make sure you subscribe to him. my thing's so weird. Now the thumbnail's on. And now I'm going to click on it. Gonna go back to edit video. And now I'm going to edit on end screen annotations. So then my subscribe logo appears. And all that other stuff. So what you do is go down to editor. Right here. YouTube editor is actually really good. Go out here, you can put a blank template, or you can do this. I'm gonna press that template and apply it. Okay, now I'm gonna choose one of my videos that I want people to see. Is a meteor coming back to Fortnite. Now let's put a link. I think I'm gonna put on Nathan's channel. Let's go into here. My computer's so slow. Okay. This is his video.
6 killed top this morning in solo duo, normal duos.
I'm gonna go to his channel. And I'm gonna copy this entire thing right here. All at the top. Control copy. Control C. Then Control V. It's there. Okay, well, I have no link then. This link. Here, I'm just gonna link, what should I link? What should I link? I thought that would work. I'm gonna link Roblox. Nobody likes Roblox. Nobody, actually. Hold on, I'm linking Epic Games. News about Epic Games. There I go. I just need to list anything. So I'm just gonna list. So my thing's like, I'm really working. You don't have to do a link when you do this. Links do not work, so I don't need it. I'm not bringing in a link. Let's put the video right there. My channel right here. Subscribe, Teller's Fortnite Fun. Let's add in one more. Search channel. Right here. His channel will pop up right here. There will be two channels. His channel and mine. I'm just gonna put hi as a custom message. Then press save. Save it. Video's being processed. Check back later. But while this is loading, I'm gonna go ahead and make my intro. Thank you guys for watching. How to. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And yeah, comment what I should do next. And I also might be doing a storyboard video where you guys choose what happens at the end. So it will be like an adventure. So something will happen, then you guys will choose what happens. If that makes sense. You guys will see the video. I'll explain the rules in that video. But see you guys all later. Bye.